Jake Boyd here with Guarantee RV in Junction City. I want to talk to you today about this Keystone Outback. It's 2019 299 URL. It's a pretty stellar trailer for its length and its floor plan. It's really nice things to kind of point out how they really work really well for you when you're inside. But first, let's go over some of the things that are on the outside. Really wide door for your pass-through storage here. Huge amount of storage underneath. As you can see right there, you have an aluminum frame and you have fiberglass siding on the side. There's two doors. One of them goes into the bedroom. The other one goes into the main space here. Really nice flush mount windows as well. It means you can actually hinge them open and have them open during the rain to actually get some cross breeze coming through. Your outside your shower, hot and cold as well. An enormous awning too. So this is a 29-foot 9-inch floor plan for the trailer, and that the awning is over most of it actually. We're going to head into the interior here, and we're going to see what really sets this trailer apart. What you have is a rear living or a rear lounge scenario too. Really nice recliners off the rear, huge window, plus you're also getting a little bit of storage up top too. They're giving you a lot of options here, which is really nice. You sweep around here, you have a huge super slide, and that super slide houses your couch, which has a hide-a-bed in it as well as your booth here. And all these spaces, it's a really nice positioning for the television in the entertainment center here, and an absurdly large television as well. A really nice Furion sound system, and the all kind of makes its way into the area over here, where you have a counter space, which is really nice here, and your Furion 3-burner stove. That flush mount for the top folds back, turns into its own backsplash, a really smart feature as well. And then your storage up top, really deep, a lot of space to actually store your perishables, plus pots, pans, and everything here. A really smart design on a lot of the other features here as well. So you have ducting for your heat as well that's coming out into the main room. And then this all travels back toward your pass-through bathroom here. Well, a couple of really cool features about the bathroom. Really nice solid surface shower booth, plus really great storage inside here for any kind of linens or anything. They don't have to be in another room. Really keeps things at hand and really nice. That all passes through into your bedroom here. Your bedroom, a really big space for a queen bed. A lot of space on the side for have anything available at hand, say a CPAP machine. You have your plug-ins, your hanging space on either side too. If you have any questions about this trailer or any other trailer on lot, stop on by and say hello. My name is Jake.